Are you tired of your Wise card getting declined at checkout? Right at the register, total embarrassment, and you have no idea why. Here is exactly how to change your monthly spending limit in 60 seconds. So here is the plan. We are going to walk through the Wise dashboard step by step. First, we will find the limits page. Then, we will edit your spending cap. And finally, we will confirm the new amount. Let us jump in. All right, to get started, go ahead and log into your Wise account. You want to look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. Now, this is important because this is where all your account settings live. It is not in the main dashboard with your transactions. A lot of people look there first and get stuck. So, profile icon, give it a click. From that profile menu, a drop-down will appear. You want to scroll down and look for the option that says Limits. Click on that. This is the central hub for everything related to your account restrictions. It covers your card, your transfers, everything. So when you see that page, you know you are in the right spot. Now, on the Limits page, there are a few different sections. You are looking specifically for one that says Your Spending Limits. It might be under a card tab or an account tab, depending on your setup. Just scan the page until you see it. Click on that. This is where you will see exactly what your current limit is and how much you have used so far this month. So here comes the part that actually changes things. Look for the Edit button next to your current monthly limit. It is usually a small button or a pencil icon. Click on that. This tells Wise you want to make a change. It opens up the field where you can type. Now you will see a box appear with your current limit already filled in. Go ahead and type in the new amount you want. Maybe you need to raise it for a big trip or lower it to help with budgeting. Whatever your reason, just type the number in. And here is a quick tip from experience. Make sure you are typing the full amount. If you want a limit of $1,000, type 1,000, not just one. That is a mistake I have seen catch people off guard. Once you have typed in your new amount, look for the Confirm button. It might be blue or green. Click that. And that is it. Your new spending limit is now active. This might take a second to process, so do not panic if the page refreshes. Just give it a moment. And that is it. You are done. From getting declined at checkout to having full control in just about a minute, you can now confidently manage your Wise spending limit whenever you need to. Thanks for sticking with me.